Yeah, I confess, Father, I confess, 'cause I've been living wrong. I know.
What is up, guys? I'm sorry if the camera's everywhere. I'm driving with one hand right now, but we're heading to the CCSU car show right now. We're gonna meet up with Lewis and a couple of our friends, and then I'm just gonna get a couple videos of the cars that are there. And if there's a meet after, I'll probably go to that. But as of right now, we're heading over there right now. What is up, guys? We made it to the show. We're here with the whole gang. Everybody's chilling over there. I'm gonna show you guys the cars. I got the car into the show. It's looking alright. I didn't get to clean it. My boy just picked up the Prelude. It's just fresh. It's Jay's old coupe. And I'm gonna show you guys the rest of the show.
Check that watch on my wrist, that's nice though. Casio here to keep the price low. TK Maxx in the wardrobe. Addy on the dive at the front though. I get wine from Tesco. Discount, every little helps though. £6, keep it on the down low. Still gotta pay my rent though. I might not have much money, but I'll give you something else. I could show you new adventures, never leave you by yourself. Yeah, I might not buy the syrup or be repping fancy shoes, but there's more to me than assets. I could give it all to you. Let it show. You got skin-tight jeans and a crop top. Dolce & Gabbana from a thrift shop. Still trying to figure what the bank got. Credit card, we could spend a whole lot. All the gold diggers, get out of my way. No time for company if I don't pay. Feeling so sick of the gameplay. Saw you in Gucci the same day. I don't have much money, but I'll give you.
Well, that's really it for right now. It's all really like the cool cars. It's really not that much this year. It's not as lit as last year, man. There was a lot more cars, a lot more builds, but I think it's because everything's really like broken or stored. Well, I'll record anything else if anything cool pops up. Let's see what happens. EF wagon, dude. I've always wanted one of those. I don't know if the camera picked it up. I wasn't really paying attention, but I'm so tired. Peep the muffler though. Peep the muffler though. I'm about to race this guy. Smoke his boots. Yo, you gotta see this K series, bro.
Fully built K series.
Don't let them fool you. That's the K series with a D series valve cover. Is he low enough?
That's how I want my EF. My EF is gonna be that low. Stay tuned.
One more time! One more time! You ain't even got all this. Oh my fuck! Oh my fuck! Ow! So far, man, this meet has been a good turn up.
Hello, sexy. How you doing? You guys might remember me from the first video. Look at my finger.
Oh, you a sexy.
Yeah, you got a new sweater? Alright, why you gotta wild out, man?
I was on the first video, right?
Yeah. The first video we ever put out. And now he's a fucking photographer now. Damn, my battery's gonna die soon.
Battery gonna die on my dick.
Whoa.
Edit that out.
Whoa. But yeah, like I was saying, the turnout came out good. Cars are nice. I don't exactly know what we're gonna do now. Shit will not autofocus at all, dude. But anyways, I'm heading to where my car is because I think I'm gonna leave.
Face to face, I found my pain beneath the lies
lies and broken dreams. Lost the love I had in me. It tore me apart, fade away. I felt so lost, but I held on to what I had. For what it's worth, if you're feeling low, just know that you can.
Anthony's car looks fucking sick. Jonathan has got some new wheels on it too. He got tired of the rims. Frankie's out here with us too. We're all ganged up, man. James even came out. That's just crazy. He's never around. Hey, can we just talk about how good Anthony's car looks with wheels, man? He's somewhere out there.
Check that watch on my wrist, that's nice though. Casio here to keep the price low. TK Maxx in the wardrobe. Addy on the dive at the front though. I get wine from Tesco. Discount, every little helps though. £6, keep it on the down low. Still gotta pay my rent though. I might not have much money, but I'll give you something else. I could show you new adventures, never leave you by yourself. Yeah, I might not buy the syrup or be repping fancy shoes, but there's more to me than assets. I could give it all to you. Let it show.